Hello friends, welcome back to Technique, and in this video we'll be looking at two official cases launched by OnePlus for the OnePlus 13. Now we have the OnePlus 13 with us, the blue color with us. So we'll be showcasing the two cases. We have the wood grain magnetic half pack case and the Aramid fiber magnetic case. So these two cases works with the new AirVook 50 watt wireless charger. So if you want to use that wireless charger really well, you need to get one of these cases. This is the wood grain magnetic half pack case and this is the Aramid fiber magnetic case. So let's see one by one. So let's first see the wood grain magnetic case. So let's open this. So there's the details are mentioned. So let's take this out. So there you go. That's all inside the box. So this is the wood grain case. So let's have a closer look. So you can see here this the finish is the wood grain and OnePlus logo here. Pretty much hard material, very sturdy material. In fact, this case is really sturdy. It's very strong. It doesn't bend actually. It's a very sturdy case. And here we have a rough texture, the texture of wood. And inside you can see some material here. Let's get charging. So this supports wireless charging. So here you can clearly see that wireless charging ring. So this will help with the AirVook charger. So this is the case. You can see a cutout for the volume, and here we have the cutout for the alert slider as well, volume and power button. The top section is open, even the bottom section is open. So that's the case, the magnetic charger. And you can also see that there is a raised edge for the camera layout. So let's use this. So now we have used the case on the OnePlus 13. So you can see here it looks very cool. The OnePlus case, the wood and green finish, and you can also see that these are exposed. Actually, you don't get the covering on top. Edges also have good covering. All the corners have good covering and looks good. You can see the bottom section. You can see the cutout and feels very sturdy. It doesn't slip out of the hand because it's very sturdy, as well as grip is there. Good grip is there. That makes the case a really good one. So that's the wood fiber case. So next let's see the Aramid fiber magnetic case. Once again, it's a magnetic case. So let's open this. So that's inside the box, and this is the Aramid fiber case. So you can see here this is slightly more smoother texture here, and this is a fiber case. Again, the sturdiness is really good. It's a very solid case, but here you don't have the cutout. Instead you have buttons here. And here we have, you can also see openings for the speaker unit and the charging port. Here also alert slider, you get the opening, and top also you do get the opening, but it's not cut out, it's buttons. And inside let's see once again, this also has this. Let's get started charging. So this also has this magnetic ring where you can latch on to the wireless charger. Now this is something which looks really attractive. The red color accent around the camera and looks very sturdy. So never settle branding is at the inside. So let's use this case. It's slightly more rubberized case than the wooden. Wooden looks very sturdy. These edges are slightly more plastic, rubbery in nature. So it does give a grip actually. Feels very nice actually. You can see here the red and the feedback is very good. The feedback from the buttons for power and volume keys is very good. And you do get the opening for alert slider. You can actually use it very easily. So you can see here very easily you can use, and the cutout for charging and the speaker unit. So that's the two cases. So this is the Aramid fiber case, and we also have this wooden texture case. So these are the two cases announced by OnePlus. This has been shared by OnePlus. Both are really good. You can choose which looks better for you. I personally like both, but then this looks slightly more attractive, especially with the red accent. But if you like the wooden finish, this works better. Now, so both of these works with the magnetic charger. So this is the AirVook magnetic charger. So you can see here, it works really well. So that's the magnetic charger. So both of them have the magnetic charging enabled. So these are the two cases announced by OnePlus for the OnePlus 13. Which one did you like? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section. This is Zoom signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.